How do they work? How do they work?
These are integrated circuits, and they are made up of many semiconductor devices. And the working principles are taught in some university-level classes.
I've taken similar classes before, but I don't understand anything. All I learned is just a bunch of equations.
Well, maybe we can avoid some of the difficult equations and replace them with some pictures.
What about having animations? They make the classes more interesting and understandable.
Okay, let's start the class with very few equations, but lots of animations. Before doing that, let's consult some experts about how to conduct a good introductory level class on semiconductor devices.
The course should be applications-oriented to motivate students to learn the material.
Is to ensure that the course teach devices that has an impact on our daily lives.
It should be very useful and also should be very interesting.
One of the most interesting concepts that can be taught through this course is the idea of approximation.
That requires a lot of work. Anyway, I'll see how much we can achieve with this course. Finally, I and my team have developed this animation-based semiconductor class, covering the most important concepts of semiconductor devices, without much quantum mechanics and differential equations. We will focus a lot on the design and application aspects of semiconductor devices, and explain the working principles of many everyday applications, such as power switches, solar cells, LEDs, and image sensors. Even though a lot of tedious mathematics are avoided, we don't compromise the depth of understanding, but we help you visualize the concepts more easily. The whole course will be divided into two parts. The first part on PN junctions and bipolar junction transistors, and the second part will be on field effect transistors and MOSFETs. This is a big project, and I would like to introduce the people who make this work happen. Whether you are new to the subject or experienced engineers who want to review some important concepts from a different perspective, do join us, and see you online.